Yeah, those are from 1998.
Okay, there's my audience. Okay, my name is Aaron Day. This is my call to action or persuasive speech. Today we'll be talking to you guys about drinking and driving among citizens of the United States. Basically, I want to convince you guys that drinking and driving is harmful to not only the drinker and driver, but other citizens on the road. And that there are ways to prevent drinking and driving through prevention programs, education, and taxi or ride services. So, drinking and driving is a nationwide problem. It's killing more and more people every day. While it is a preventable action, it is becoming more common among young people between 18 and 25 years old. It is a leading cause of death for teenagers from the 21 to 24 age range, and is becoming commonplace due specifically to convenience. So the statistical facts about drinking and driving are that the average drunk driver has driven more than 80 times drunk before getting arrested. So that being said, is that it could either be less than that or more. So there are people that have been driving drunk for years and have not ever been caught. So when we get the statistics about arrest, it is not entirely accurate because not everybody's been arrested. 1 in 3 people will be involved in an alcohol-related collision in their lifetime. So one of you three will be involved in it, or have already been involved in it.
Yeah, that was me.
Every minute in the U.S., there is somebody that is hurt by an alcohol-related collision. So just some more facts about it are that for everybody here, whether you're involved with drinking and driving or not, it costs you about $500 a year for people who drink and drive. Now that's extra insurance cost, vehicle maintenance, whether you get into the accident and they don't have any insurance, you have to pay for your own vehicle repair. The average spread out over all of the citizens of the United States is about $500 a person. Many of those people that are hurt, that are causing these accidents, are hurt between the hours of 12 and 3, which is right around bar close. And over 10,000 people will die this year due to alcohol-related collisions. So there's a couple of statistics. The legal system tries to deal with the drinking and driving offenses, but is flooded and overwhelmed by the amount they have to deal with, and there is no communications between the states. So if you get arrested for drinking and driving in Missouri, it will not transfer to Illinois, and vice versa. It is a communication issue between their computers. How that makes sense, I don't know, but that's the cold hard fact. The average drinking and driving arrest by an officer takes about anywhere between 3 to 4 hours from initiating the traffic stop to releasing the person on bond or to a jailer. That goes through the sobriety test, the arrest, the booking, the report, and the release on bond. So that's all time that can be taken off from an officer on his shift, used for protecting the public. About 1 in 135 drivers on the road today will be arrested for drinking and driving, and about 75% of those people that are arrested are driving on suspended licenses due to previous drinking and driving incidents. So they're not supposed to be driving anyway. Many of those drivers don't have insurance because they have previous drinking and driving arrests. Therefore, if you get in an accident, your insurance company will be responsible for fixing your vehicle, and the price will go up for your deductibles. The penalties for drinking and driving in the state of Missouri range. Just an example, for a first offense, you get a $500 fine, you get your suspension of your license for 90 days, and you could get up to 1 year in jail, which is usually put to probation. Now, if you continue to violate the law and you've done it 3 times in a row, so you've had your 3 strikes, you get 4 years in jail, a $5,000 fine, it's a felony, and a 10-year suspension of your driver's license. And I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but it's a device that you blow into to unlock the vehicle that has to be permanently installed in any vehicle that you use. So now I want to talk about some of the ways that we can prevent these statistics, how we can prevent them from happening and prevent our alcohol-related collisions. There are a bunch of programs that are designed to help. One of them is MAD, Mothers Against Drunk Driving. Another one of them is DARE, which is used in the grade schools, used to prevent drinking and driving and drugs at a very young age. And many colleges throughout the U.S. have programs for their incoming freshmen to learn about drinking and driving and programs to help to keep them from getting hurt. A couple of those are drinking and driving call centers where you can call for a ride from a bar. I've seen that at a lot of the universities that myself and my friends have gone to. I'm sure you guys know, the United States Air Force has a service offered to airmen that will allow them to get a free ride home from wherever they are. Also, taxi cabs and bus rides and Metrolink in St. Louis is a lot cheaper than a DUI. So if you're in one of those areas that can utilize those services, it's a lot cheaper. Average bus fare is about $2, and the average DUI from start to finish with lawyer fees is about $2,500 to $5,000, depending upon how much trouble you're into. Many bars offer incentives to, they call them DDs or designated drivers. Some places offer free dinners and free drinks. Others offer free parking for people who have DDs. So that's all great things to utilize. Friends and family, if they are responsible, will designate one person to be a DD and take care of the entire group of people. So in conclusion of my drinking and driving speech here, drinking and driving has killed many people throughout the United States. It is an easily avoidable action. It's something that can be prevented at the very lowest level of the person who is doing the drinking and driving. If they think and just think about maybe they get a ride or who they could kill or hurt or how much it could cost, we prevent a lot more drinking and driving arrests and a lot more people being killed by drunk drivers. If I have changed one of your thoughts about drinking and driving today, I've saved at least one life, and that's yours and probably another person who you may have hit. Thank you very much.